looks like we
This is WIKISPEED, November 21st, 2024. Go ahead, Michael.
it's Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Uh, for this past week, I don't believe I got anything done. I was intending to get signed up for the Kickstarter for the new version 4.1 of Maslow. I've got it up on the screen, but I haven't actually paid for it or subscribed to it or whatever you want to describe that as. And there was one more thing I was trying to do. Oh yeah, just basically work on Docker. Didn't get that done either. So this coming week, I really hope to get um, Docker working, and I am hoping to get signed up for the Maslow version 4.1. I don't expect I'm going to get anything else done, and blocks are just basically motivation. Back to you.
British Columbia, Canada. And, past week, I didn't get anything done that I can think of right now. Just coming off a 45-hour power outage. And to the coming week, hope to work, do what I was going to do last week, which is Docker myself and post the recruitment for somebody with the skills that we want with our joint statement. And blocks are results of climate change that we're trying to get rid of. It was a bomb cyclone, 170 kilometer per hour winds on a lot of Vancouver Island, or on different parts of Vancouver Island. That's, back to you.
Okay. Retrospective, I think I'm going to give myself a 1 for showing up for stand up, and a 9 for the team because even after your power outage, we still managed to actually record the stand up, which is pretty impressive, I must think. And no process improvement for this week. Back to you.
Okay, I'll give myself a 1, and the team a 9, and process improvement is the things we're working on, getting more people on. And I have more in crosstalk about that. So that's it. And I think I'm going to stop the recording and get that in the bag, the short
Okay.